Good afternoon, all you YouTube surfers out there. So I'm glad you stopped by my channel because today I am doing something that usually you want to do during summer. However, today here in Colorado Springs, it is 91 degrees. We are breaking records for the end of September. It is supposed to be chilly, but it's not. It is hot. So what am I going to do? Today I am making margarita cookies. So watch to the end of the video and you'll see what's going on. Quick disclaimer. No alcohol was wasted during the making of this video. Alrighty, I am going to go ahead and put in my ingredients and start these cookies. You can get those ingredients down below as well as some of my other cookie recipes. So make sure to check those out. And while you're down there, go ahead and subscribe, hit that little bell and share with your friends. So let's get on with these cookies. I am going to put in my butter, which is room temperature. So you definitely need to make sure it is room temp. And put those in there. And then I'm going to add my sugar. Ooh, that's kind of blurry. So sugar goes in. Again, ingredients are down below. And we are just going to mix this until it is creamed together. And I'll kind of show you what that looks like. So let's get mixing. Okay, so we mix that on high and just until it has come together, which it looks like that. And now I am going to add in my tequila. Oops. Get you back there. Oh, you're falling. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add in my all my other ingredients. So it's going to okay. Oh my gosh, what is going on here? Okay, wow, that wasn't fun. Well, that was fun. Yeah, you gotta love these tripods. Well, they like to do whatever they want. I'm going to go ahead and mix in my tequila. It's my tequila and my triple sec or orange liqueur, whichever one you have. Add that right on in. I'm going to put in my zest. It is a full zest of a lime. That added in. Okay. Just a little bit more. You get all that liquor in there. And then I'm doing 2 tablespoons or so of fresh lime squeeze. Fresh squeezed lime juice. And we are just going to get all of that mixed in. So now in this bowl I have whisked together my flour, my baking soda, my baking powder, and my salt. So I'm just going to add this in very little at a time just to combine it. So we're just going to slowly mix this in. So we're just mixing. Okay, we've got that all mixed, that's going in. We're going to crack 1 egg. We're going to put that in there as well. Make sure this egg is room temperature. I don't know why. It's just what it is. If you know why, let me know below. Let me show you without dropping you this time. So it's starting to come together. I will taste this to see if it needs a little bit more tequila, because you can't have a margarita cookie without tequila taste. And the tequila is going to burn off anyway when it goes into the oven. Okay, so it doesn't taste too much like tequila, so I'm just going to add just a little bit more into it. And we'll see how that tastes. Hopefully, oh gosh, you're sideways, aren't you? Okay. So we're gonna see how that tastes. Hopefully, it'll taste like tequila and a margarita. So I've got my lime juice, I've got my salt, I've got my triple sec, I got my tequila in there. So hopefully it'll taste like margaritas. Okay, I'm gonna try this. It really doesn't taste like tequila. And I put in more than what the recipe said. We'll see. You know what I might do is I might brush some tequila on each cookie before it goes into the oven. See if that brings out the flavor. Or actually the tequila triple sec mix. So I am going to go make that mixture and I'll be right back to do these cookies. All right, so I went ahead and made a little mixture of kind of like a margarita, which is your tequila, triple sec, and lime juice. So that's what I'm going to do, or that's what this mixture is here. So we are going to, this is literally experimenting right now. So I'm hoping it goes very well. So I'm going to line, actually, I'm going to bring you down here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and line my pan with parchment paper, because that actually helps so that cookies don't actually stick. And now I'm going to just get some of my my cookie dough and just make little tiny cookies out of it. There's probably like maybe 2-inch cookie dough balls. I'm going to do this. And just going to put them there like that. Okay, so here is the fun experiment. I'm going to take some of this mixture here, and I'm just going to add it to each cookie. See if it will actually bake into this cookie and make it a nice margarita smell. So these go in at 350 degrees for about 12 minutes. Oh, that, no, go away. Timer. 12 minutes. Okay. Now I'm just gonna let them cook for a little bit, and when they come out, I am going to show you what they look like, and then we're gonna taste this experiment. So hopefully they taste good. If not, I've got plenty of batter to make just regular cookies with, and that's what I'm gonna do. All right, so the cookies are finished. I'm going to pull these out of the oven, and I'm gonna show you, are they done? So, here's what they look like. So they're supposed to be nice and chewy. So I'm gonna let these kind of cool off for a little bit. And I'm gonna do this old-fashioned, taking a pie pan, trying to cool them off a little faster so I can taste these for a so I really hope these are good. So I hope these are really good because I like margaritas. These are great. Hopefully these will be great for summer. I'm gonna actually put the rest of these on a cooling rack. That way they can cool a little bit faster. All right, so here is my first cookie. That looks pretty good. It's very flimsy, very soft. Now let's give this a try. I really don't taste the tequila in here. I mean, you can definitely get the lime. Definitely get the lime's juice because it's got the lime zest and the lime juice in there. But even after I brushed the tequila mixture on, I still don't get it. Don't get me wrong, they're still very, very good. So, I guess with that, I'm gonna continue making these. See if I can get that extra tequila taste in there. But if you've made this before, definitely let me know below. What do I need to do differently to get that tequila taste? Maybe it's just because the tequila is burning off in the oven, but I just wish I had that nice tequila taste. I want extra tequila taste. So I'm gonna figure this out. If I do, I will let you know. All right. So with that, make sure to subscribe again. Make sure to hit the bell. Share this recipe with all your friends. Like I said, if you've tried these and you've made them and you got that tequila taste, that margarita taste, let me know below because I want to figure out how to do that. So with that, I am off. You guys enjoy your afternoon or evening or your day whenever you decide to watch this. And make sure you watch out for my other videos. Have a good one.